Welcome back to another video. In this one we'll be fitting a new sliding door to our Renault Master camper van. The panel had come away from the internal structure and it was really badly dented. So rather than trying to repair it along with all the other bodywork that needed doing, we decided just to get a second-hand one off eBay, which was only 200 quid delivered, so a no-brainer really. First up was to remove the door from the van, which involved loosening multiple Torx bolts, which held the van door to the sliding mechanism. Once they were loosened, I propped a scaffolding board on a trolley jack to take the weight of the door, and I had some axle stands underneath just in case the jack slipped and the door dropped. If you're going to do this yourself, get someone to help you. I was just being impatient and couldn't be bothered to wait for Emma to come back from the gym, so I cracked on myself. But once Emma was back, it was time to get the new door fitted. I lifted the door up and Emma located the sliding mechanism into the side of the van body. She then propped up the other end onto an axle stand to take the weight, and then it was just about 20 minutes of adjusting the height and the position to get the door fit back onto the sliding mechanism. It was actually a surprisingly easy job in the end. I thought it was probably going to take us the best part of the day, but it only took about an hour to take the old one off and get the new one fitted. So there you have it, a nice fully functioning sliding door, and because the van's going to get a full respray, obviously the colour match doesn't matter. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. In the next video I'll be fitting all of the PVC trim pieces to the interior, so keep an eye out for that one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.